Congratulations! You've just bought a new pair of H7 LED bulbs for your car's headlights. But when you try to install them, they don't fit. Don't worry, Ayla Lighting has the solution. We design and manufacture H7 adapters, making your installation as easy as possible. These high-quality adapters are especially designed to fit your car's headlight housing. These adapters are easy to install, fit almost all aftermarket H7 LED bulbs, and won't require you to make any adjustments or modifications to your existing headlight housing. To install, first remove the bulb's chuck. Install the base into the light housing. Install the adapter on top of the base and push it down until the tabs on the adapter click into place. Next, install the bulb into the base. And finally, plug the wire connector from the LED into the factory socket where you had unplugged the original bulb. And that's it! Your new bulbs are installed and you're ready to go. And we stock several different sizes to ensure you have the right fit for your car.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.